Hello Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Bittorrent token. What's the current price of BTT, what's the price is token the Bittorrent token. In this video I will show you my friends, but before starting this video please click the subscribe button, also like this video my friends. You know what, it is time the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VT, Shiba, Safemoon, all cryptocurrencies, the fastest moving cryptocurrencies price is going down in these days. Same like that, the Bittorrent token is also going down my friends. So what should we do in this critical situation and how we can save ourselves from loss? In this video I will show you my friends, so keep watching this video till the end and make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. The currently and latest price of the Bittorrent token is 0.000225 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Bittorrent token. Furthermore my friends, the last 1 hour price change of the BTT token is positive, but the previous change is the last 1 day, last 1 month price change occurring in the Bittorrent token as a negative, completely negative my friends. So what should we do in this critical situation my friends? My personal advice for all of you is that please hold. I think holding is the only way to solve your problem. Holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. If you hold Bittorrent token, so maybe there's a possibility to the price will pump in the future. But if you can't hold, so that's clear my friends that you're in the loss, because the last 1 month price change is negative. Just look the last 1 week price change is chart of the Bittorrent token. From the last 1 week price chart, that's clear that we are in the loss. Completely faster token the Bittorrent token price. So that's mean that you are in the loss. So how you can save yourself from loss? Holding. That's easy my friends. Hold and save from loss. What do you think about that? What is your opinion about Bittorrent token? Please tell me in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.